Hey guys, what's up? Joe Paris here. Just wanted to say thank you again so much for enrolling in this course. And I'm now going to go through kind of the course syllabus with you. This course is very compact, very short. You should be able to get through it really, if you really wanted to, in just one sitting. And a few other recommendations. One, if you want to speed up, you can always watch the video player a little bit faster. There's some settings down below that you can change with that. And I know sometimes it's easier for me to watch it a little bit quicker. Also, after the introduction here, we're going to dive right into how to double your confidence and self-esteem. I'm going to give you 3 specific steps, and this whole course, as I've said, is based upon a 30-day challenge. What a 30-day challenge is you do something to double your confidence and self-esteem every day for 30 days. I'm going to explain a little bit more about that in our last section here, which is where I talk about the course summary and conclusion, and then I'm going to really let you go and really get out there and take action. Our section in between that, the action exercises, I'm going to give you some specific actions to take, some exercises to get out there and to really start experiencing this. It'd be one thing if a professional athlete, all they did was play games, but they know the benefits of actually getting out there and practicing. So you need some practice, and that's what our action exercises are all about. Thanks again so much. I will see you in our very next video. Stay tuned.